Will getting shot by a handgun burn you? Well, 9mm is extremely hot after it's been shot. Allegedly. So today we're gonna test out this theory. And to find out just how hot 9mm is after it's been fired, we have the Knockpix Lumi 35R. This is thermal, so it's gonna pick up the heat signature of our 9mm round in two different instances. First is going to be in this DA target, which allegedly changes colors when it's been shot because it absorbs the heat. Our Knockpix Lumi 35R is gonna tell us if that is true. Man, look at that lens. So shiny. This thing is crazy. And of course, ballistics gelatin, which we're going to record before being shot and after being shot to see if there's a heat difference in the gel. For our handgun, we have the Gearson Witness X because it has every single upgrade you could possibly get on a 2011. And we're going to shoot 3 rounds into that color changing target. Forget how smooth this thing shoots. Let's look at the results. Now, if we use the Knockpix to look at the target, you can see we hit 2 on the left and 1 dead center. Absolutely, there's some crazy color changing that's very visible. And what about our ballistics gelatin? Here you can see our heat signature before. This thing is pretty cold. And now we're gonna shoot it. And taking a look, you can see the 2 hits. They impart a lot of energy right on the surface, but then going into the ballistics gelatin, we're not seeing much at all. And in order to verify this, I do want to get a skimming hit along the edge of the ballistics gelatin. And clear as day, you can see that stripe of heat, which just means that there's actually heat throughout the entire block, but the block is just shielding that thermal signature from our camera. Even though it's clear and we can see through it with the naked eye, material will block a thermal signature, which is why we needed those skimming hits. So yes, these bullets make material warmer, but do they burn? Well, I can say after feeling this material that it is 5, 10, 20 degrees hotter than it was sitting by itself. And that's enough to pick up on a thermal, but it doesn't feel like that, so it's gonna burn you. So go check out the Knockpix Lumi L35R, and if you get hit by a round of 9mm, it's not the burn that you should be afraid of. Subscribe for more.